So it's our first day in the backcountry for me, and it's a lot of work, but it's beautiful. Oh.
Hey, hello. Hey,
Hello.
hey, how's it going?
All right.
Good.
Good.
Hey,
Good day. So we've gone, what have we done? 250 meters elevation gain and 3.9 kilometers. And I have found it quite challenging on the split board. It's quite, my split board I feel like it's quite heavy. Or I'm just out of shape. So it's been like a bit exhausting. I got a little blister because I'm using some new boots. And we're at our end point now. We're not going to go up any further. Just on the side of this avalanche path. And I feel safe being here because there's an avalanche training happening right beside me. So we're not in any harm's way. But it's really beautiful. What a beautiful spot. I'm in my snowboard for the first time ever. I've owned this thing for 2 months. First time ever as a snowboard. I'm very excited. Let's see if I can snowboard. Weird with the poles. Okay. So far, so good. Feels good. That's nice. It's some work, but it's beautiful. And action. made it. Just having a seat here, don't mind me. Beautiful. So I've just completed my first day of backcountry splitboarding with my very gracious host David, who took me out, and it was certainly a introductory event. Like we did like about 4 kilometers up, 3.9 kilometers up.
Yes, almost 4 up, yes.
And
in total.
And 250 meters elevation, yeah?
250, yeah.
That's 250. So I'm super grateful to David for taking me up. And then we got to ski out a little bit, which was really fun. I am a very happy young man right now, because I'm sure I'm going to do a lot of the sport once I learn how to do it.